Did you know there is a non-medicine treatment that is considered first line for insomnia? I'm Dr. Galina, neurologist trained in cognitive behavioral therapy, and this first go-to treatment is called cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBT-I for short. So instead of the sleeping pills, which just mask the symptoms, this one helps address the actual reasons why you can't sleep. So I'm going to lift that curtain and let you in on the mystery of what's actually happening during CBT-I treatment. So first, you'll be asked to keep a sleep diary for a week, where you'll need to write down when you go to bed, how long it takes you to fall asleep, and when you wake up. Based on this, your sleep specialist will calculate how much sleep you're actually getting on average. So let's say you're sleeping 5 hours, even though you spent 8 hours in bed. Instead of letting you lie awake for those extra hours, you'll get a strict sleep schedule, maybe midnight to 5 a.m., and the same schedule even on the weekends. And I know it sounds harsh, but here's why it works. By spending less time in bed, you build up your body's natural drive for sleep. And when bedtime comes around, you'll be truly sleepy, with high sleep pressure. As your sleep improves, you'll slowly expand your time in bed. In part 2, I'll explain the relaxation techniques and thought management strategies involved in cognitive behavioral therapy.